So here we go. We're trying the egg cooker, and notice there's a little Sharpie point there for piercing the eggs. You're supposed to pierce a hole in the blunt end of the eggs. Okay, so I've got all 6. I double did that one because one wasn't right at the top. All right, so I got all 6 pierced. And then what you do, there's a little cap that goes over there, but I'm going to wash it before I put it back on, is you put the water up to the level that full one. The more water you put in, the longer it cooks, so it makes them hard. All right, and that would be medium, and then soft. And so I set it for hard, 5 to 6 eggs, and then we got them in there, and then I'll put the top on, plug it in, turn it on until the water evaporates, and they're cooked. So we'll see how it goes.